Good morning. In previous lecture we had studied about equality and its types. Today we will continue chapter equality. So let's start the first topic. Equality in Indian democracy. Equality is a key feature of a democracy. It states that all people are equal irrespective of their religion, caste, creed, gender or color. The right to equality is a fundamental right. It gives equal protection to all. The right to equality is based on the following basic principles. Every person, first topic, every person is equal before law. Number 2, no person can be discriminated on the basis of their religion, caste, race, gender or color. Number 3, every person has equal access to public places and facilities like playground, hotels, religious places, shops, parks and canals. Number 4, untouchability has been abolished. Anyone who practices it can be punished. Implementation of equality by the government. The two ways in which the government has tried to implement the provision of equalities as enshrined in the Indian Constitution are firstly through laws, and secondly through implementing programs or schemes to help the backward or disadvantaged communities. The aim of these schemes is to help improve the lives of those communities who have been discriminated for centuries together. अब है गवर्नमेंट एफर्ट्स फर्स्ट है मिड डे मील स्कीम एंड सेकेंड दैट द राइट टू एजुकेशन एक्ट. नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट मिड डे मील. One of the steps taken by the government to promote equality is the introduction of National Program for Nutritional Support to Primary Education, popularly known as Midday Meal Scheme. It was first introduced in Tamil Nadu in the 1960s. Benefits of the scheme. The program has reduced social differences between communities as the midday meals are served to all children, irrespective of their caste, creed, and gender. The meal are served to all children at the same time and they have to eat the meal together. Thus, the program has helped to reduce caste and class prejudices. Number 3, in many places, Dalit women have been employed to cook and serve the meals. Number 4, this scheme has helped in increasing school enrollment and in maintaining regular attendance in the school. The Right to Education Act 2009 is another step taken by the government to provide equal opportunities to the disadvantaged group in the society. Issues of equality in other democracies. India is not the only democracy where inequality exists. In other countries, two people have struggled for equality. In the US, African Americans had to face discrimination in almost every aspect of their lives. Rosa Parks, an African American woman, raised her voice against this discrimination. In a bus journey, she refused to give up her seat to a white man. Her refusal started a huge agitation against the unequal treatment meted out of the African Americans. This came to be known as the Civil Rights Movement. The Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion, color, or creed. Challenges of democracy. The term democracy literally means rule by the people. The concept of equality is embraced by all religions and constitutions across all countries. In spite of these, inequality has not been completely removed.